Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with the Fitbit Blaze tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to pair your Fitbit Blaze to your smartphone. The first thing you want to do is go on the Fitbit app and click on the top right hand corner of your screen, which is the account icon. Click on set up a new device. Find Fitbit Blaze, click on that and set up. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you have to agree with the terms and policies. Agree with it, next, and it'll search for your device. You want to make sure your device is powered on. That way it'll have an easier time finding it. You'll have a code pop up on your Blaze screen, and you want to punch that code into your phone in the Fitbit app, and you want to wait till it connects. When your Bluetooth pairing request pops up, you want to go ahead and allow it to pair, so click on pair, and there you have it. Go through all the slides here. Click on done, and that'll be it. You just gotta wait till this syncs, finishes syncing, and now it's all ready to go. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.